All right, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to one of the probably slowest days of the year, but doesn't look like it's going to be too slow. We had a couple of movement in the market, but thanks for everyone showing up. You know what? This is like the longest holiday week. 4th of July was last week. It's good to see a lot of you people here showed up this morning. Listen, if this is like any day like Wednesday was just absolutely excellent. Great moves, great run-ups. We had some really good stocks. We're going to talk a lot about them. Good to see you too, Lita. Good to see you, Lawrence, everybody. Listen, I know not everyone here celebrates 4th of July, so we have a lot of people all over the world. People from all over Canada. We got people from, London, England. We got people from Germany. So it's good to see all you guys here and Italy. But overall, there's a couple of good stocks that made some really, really nice moves. We're going to check stuff out and show you what's going on and how to trade on a day like Friday. So today is not like a Wednesday. It's not a half a day. So we're going to have probably, it's a full day of trading, but we'll make the best of it. And like I said, you see something, you say something. But let's go over a couple of stocks that we traded that happened. Let me just X this out, hide this down here, and bring up my watch list. Okay, there we go. All right. So a couple of stocks, and it just nonstop. They just will not stop going up. The Tesla trade was absolutely unbelievable. Hopefully, a lot of you have been watching my YouTube channel. You've watched some of the shorts. You've watched, I don't know, whatever you're a fan of, TikTok or Instagram, whatever it is. But we've been talking about Tesla for the past week. We saw the stock make a big run over here around 187. The stock is literally up almost probably 70 points. For some of you that can't afford Tesla, that's okay because there are so many ETFs out there. This has obviously been the big one. I own this one here myself. I bought it right around $8.75. I am looking great, almost a double on that stock. And this is how you convert a day trades into swing trades. So you know what? They're still moving. They're still moving. They have not stopped. So those stocks, Tesla, TSLA, back on the watch list. I don't want to put all the ETFs out there, but there's so many of them out there that Tesla does have. There's even the shorts too. So anyway, that one did unbelievable that day. Anyway, a couple other stocks. IVP was another great. This stock was a phenomenal pre-market trade. So let me just bring this up and blow this up for everyone who's here. So this stock, I called it out right around 8:30. You could see it right here. And then sure enough, it just took off right out of the gate. Boom, went from like $1.60 all the way to $3.10. That was also another great runner-up on Wednesday. CNSP, I apologize. This is the one that I called out in pre-market that did great. We looked at the news, couldn't find anything, but overall, this thing was just an absolutely just a great winner at 8:30 in pre-market. And we talked about this on Wednesday. Ran from $1.80 up all the way up to a whopping $3. So you want to talk about making 100% on your money? That was it. And then obviously, once the market opened up, you saw it started trending down. And you know what? Who cares? You made your money and run. Remember, we're not looking to marry these stocks. We're just looking for, just a quick buck right there, and that was it. KOSS is going back on the watch list. I don't know what's going on with this stock, but this was a meme stock. This is one of the stocks that obviously back in the day with GameStop and AMC did another big move. And, AMC did, I thought it did see it move a couple of days ago. It was the day before, actually, probably. But KOSS, I mean, that thing is just like unbelievable. Just won't stop. What a great mover. It's moving again. And it was a great mover on you could see it here on Friday. I mean, on Wednesday afternoon. Look at this thing. $8 all the way up. Last, hour and a half. Shot all the way up to a high, almost $18. Unbelievable move. Anyway, that's what happened. That's what you missed. But you're here today. Let's make the best of it. So let's go through the watch list. So we got this Zap that's moving. So Zap, we've been trading the stock the last couple of days. A lot of you remember it's down to $1. It's now turned to become stock's up about 400%. From when it started to become a little bit of a swing trade. It is coming up to some major resistance levels going back in March and April. I'm not really seeing that a lot. I mean, there's an order right now. You can see it right there, right around $5 for 17,000. So, and believe me, that's only pre-market money right now. That's not even program trading. Zap, just writing it down right here. That one's moving up pretty decently. So that one's going back on the watch list. Okay, so we got this big order right here. There's another one. It's the second biggest percentage gainer on the list right now, MICS. Now, what happened to this stock around 8 o'clock this morning, 100,000 share seller came out. So you could see here's about close to 180 right there. And when he showed up, this guy I'm talking about right here for 102,000, now it's starting to back off. Now, if that seller gets done, you know what? It's going to pop. So, and we see that happen all the time. So we're going to put that one on the watch list too. We got KOS on the watch list. We already know about that one. MDWD. So this one just started getting a couple orders. The problem with this one, remember when we teach you the 3 T's, tradable, trend, and trap, the stock is not really tradable. Big spread, thin tier sizes, and you can see it right here. Right here, look at that big. You got a big order here at 19, but look at over here on the current order book. 500, 100, 300, not a lot going on out there. So I don't know. I'll put that on the B list. All right. Anything else out there? I found, oh, this one right here, the EOSE. That one. Yeah, not too many orders out there. Very ugly there. And then I thought this one too. Nah, not that one. Forget it. Nothing on a New York Stock Exchange. I didn't see anything here. This one, ACHR, is moving up a little bit. It's up 14%. Let me check it over here on the level 4. ACHR. See what's going on pre-market. All right, so we got a little bit of a 3-layer cake. It's showing up here, 5, 510, and 530, 525. So we got some action right there. That's a nice, that's promising to see something like that. So that one's not bad. ACHR. Now remember, everyone, if you're watching on social media, the goal is we just try to find things that have volatility. Anything that has good movement volatility, that's what we really want to trade. But so far, it looks like we got a decent list. Remember, we only need one to make our days pay. But just be very careful. Today is, it's almost like a 6-week holiday. People started on Tuesday, but Wednesday was unbelievable. Today's Friday. We know Friday's not the greatest, but having a holiday, market closed on Thursday and then going into Friday, you know what? If we find anything, we'll shout it out there. But I like days like today. So if you're here, let's make the best of it. So if you see something, say something. All right, so let's get ready for the market open up. Anything I'm missing? I did not call out, cyber traders? Anything else? You can see it's going to be a light day. Just focus on nickels and dimes. That's all you got to focus on. Don't try to hit these home runs like we had on Wednesday, okay? But if you're in the right place, the right time, that's all that matters. All right, so let's get ready for the market opened up. We'll be back here in 20 minutes when the market opens at 9:30. If you're watching on social media, if you want to join us, all you got to do is take your phone, scan that QR code in the top left-hand corner, and like I said, it's all you need to do, and you can come and join our live trading room. We're here all day. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back in 20 minutes.